Hello friends, so welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to show you that how you can plant Anubias nana Barteri as immersed and as submerged. You can see here that it's a small rhizome of Anubias nana Barteri. You can easily plant it as a immersed and as a submerged. Anubias nana Barteri is one of the easiest plant, and it don't need any external CO2 and too much light. You can easily grow it in a sand-based substrate planted aquarium and in a low-tech planted aquarium, but its growth rate is very slow. You can know that Anubias variety is very slow growth rate. So here you can see the rhizome of this plant. It's Anubias nana Barteri, and in this video we are going to show you that how you can plant it and how you can rope it in a stone and how you can plant it as a immersed and as a submerged also. So please watch full the video, and if you are new in this channel, please do like, share, subscribe and comment on our channel and hit the bell icon for notification, and watch full the video. Step by step we will go to show you that how you can tie a rope with a stone on Anubias nana Barteri and how you can plant it as a immersed and as a submerged. For immersed you need this kind of container this kind of covered container you need. If you want to grow it as a immersed, you have to need this type of airtight container. Number two, you need some aqua soil or some garden soil, whatever. Some aqua, you can use some aqua soil or mixture of vermicompost or any other nutritious soil. And then last you need some gravel. You need some sand gravel. You can use here sand gravel or any other gravel, or you can also use sand, and you need some big stone to attach this Anubias nana Barteri, So in this video we are going to show you that it's step by step method. So watch full the video and subscribe our channel. So at first you need this. You can use here any kind of stone. We are using here a broken plot, and you need this type of thread, cotton thread, and then we are going to fix it in this. Here you can fix, you can use also a glue, but we recommend that don't use glue. It can harm your rhizome, so you can tie it up with a cotton thread. Then you can go to plant it. And now we are going to show you that how you can plant it as immersed, and then we are going to show you that how you can plant it as submerged. Now you need this type of container, and here is some mixture of aqua soil and some nutritious soil. We are going to put it on. Then we are going to add some gravel, because Anubias rhizome don't need soil. If it's touched with soil, its rhizome can damage. Then you can just put it this into that, and then you can add it some water at this level. After adding water, we will show you that how it's look like. And now we are going to show you how you can plant it as submerged. Here you can see we put it as a submerged. Is a submerged Anubias nana Barteri. You can also plant it as a submerged and as a immersed. Here is a submerged version of this plant. So here you can see how it's look like as emerged, and after 2 months we will go to show you how it grow as a emerged, and we will give the update of the emerged version of Anubias nana Barteri after 2 months. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon, and lot of more videos will come after this. So please join with us and subscribe our channel. Now you can cover it with this lid. So friends, hope you can know that's how you can plant Anubias nana, Barteri or any other variety of Anubias as a immersed and as a submerged. If you like this video, please do subscribe, and please like, share and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. And thank you for watching this video. And after 2 months we will go to show you that how it's look like as a immersed. So please keep with us and subscribe our channel, and thank you again for watching this video.